Here we go with segment 2 of Can We Get Our Starlink to Work in Namibia. We are currently in Etosha National Park. That is the world famous watering hole right there. This is my world famous Starlink. I yet to get it to function. Not its fault, Namibian government fault. Sends it some power. Nice. All right, let's crank up the app. Can you see the zebras in the watering hole? That's so cool. Starlink. Connecting. Okay, searching for satellites. Determining alignment. Calculating orientation. This is where we got hung up the last time. I think we're hung up again. I think this is where it ceases to function in this goofy country. Still calculating orientation. I say we failed again here in Namibia to get Starlink to work. Which really stinks because it's making it very hard for me to do any work while I'm on vacation here. So you need to work while you're on vacation here in Namibia. You need to know the internet is terrible here. And then they stop you from resolving that problem by having the Starlink because they don't want you to have Starlink here. I think they just don't want knowledge getting to the people. Anyway, we'll try again somewhere else.